Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to post a status update to your friends on Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log into your account. Once you're logged in and on the main Steam interface, direct your attention to the upper left corner of your screen. You'll see your username displayed there. Go ahead and hover your mouse over your username to reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, click on Activity. This will take you to your activity feed, where you can share updates and see what your friends have been up to on the platform. Now you'll see a text field at the top of the activity page. This is where you'll compose your status update. Click on this text field to activate it, and then type whatever activity or message you want to share with your friends. It could be anything from what game you're currently playing, your thoughts on a recent update, or just a casual message to let your friends know what you're up to. The text field is designed to make sharing quick and easy, keeping your friends in the loop about your gaming activities. Right beside the text field, you'll notice an option to add emojis to your post. This feature lets you add some personality and emotion to your status update, making it more engaging and fun for your friends to read. Feel free to click on the emoji icon and choose any emojis that fit the mood of your message. It's a simple way to make your post stand out in the activity feed. If you want to make your status even more specific, you have the option to tag it with a game you're currently playing or interested in. To do this, click on Tag with Game, which will open up a drop-down menu showing your game library. Select the game you want to tag from this menu. This helps your friends know exactly what you're playing or talking about, and it can spark conversations or even get people to join you in-game. Once you've typed your message, added any emojis, and optionally tagged a game, you're ready to share your status. Look to the right panel of the interface and click the Post button. This will instantly publish your status update to your activity feed, making it visible to all your friends on Steam. They'll be able to see what you're up to, react to your post, and maybe even leave comments. And that's it. You've successfully posted a status update to your friends on Steam. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.